Who did it? Huh? Who did it? Who? It's him. Rex, please come here and just tell me how much will be 5 minus 2. Very good. And now another question. How much will be 4 plus 1? Very good. Come here, yes, and now geography question. Who would like to show me where is here on the globe? Or the Pacific Ocean. Okay, you Terry come here and give me the answer. Terry, I told you, give me the answer. He didn't do his homework. Archibald, please stand up. Stand up. Come here and just make a point with the Pacific Ocean. Just make a point. Right here. Is this correct? Very good. Come back to your seat, please. And now time for PE, physical exercise.